Hi, it's Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Welcome to the first Monday of the month and the first Monday of the quarter. I love the first Monday of the month and the first Monday of the quarter. Why? Because it's a great day to take stock of what you've been doing in new business development. So, looking backwards over the last 12 weeks can help you be even more successful over the next 12 weeks. So, take some time today and look at what you did over the last 12 weeks. What did activities that were helping for you to be successful? What activities didn't really work for you? Where did you end up in terms of your metrics? And then think about what you want to do over the next 12 weeks. What opportunities do you have? What threats are going to prevent you from being most successful? What action steps do you need to take? What does success look like at the end of the quarter? When you write all that down and then incorporate it into your calendar, you now have metrics that are going to help you be more successful over the next 12 weeks. And it will also help guide you. So if you end up falling off for some reason, you know how to get right back onto those rails. Just taking maybe 10, 15 minutes to do this activity can make all the difference in terms of your next quarter. It certainly will help you. And it does, I do it all the time. So now you know what to do to be successful over the next month and the next quarter. Just take the 15 minutes because it's really going to make a difference. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. And if you have a question that you want me to answer or a topic that you want me to talk about, feel free to email me at jean@getmoreresults.com. And if you need a plan for the next month or for the next quarter to be more successful, feel free to click on the link in the captions in the email or in the captions so that you can schedule your free no obligation coaching call and we'll be happy to help you. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Go out and get results.